Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Sips By, which is a monthly tea subscription made with love. So yes, it is made specifically for you. When you fill out your profile, you could say like, I like this kind of tea, I don't like this kind of tea, and they curate the box for you, so it's really cool. So here are my tea matches for March. We have some cinnamon apple energy tea from Zestea, and anytime they send the individual bags, there's 4 of those. So that's cool. And it tells you the caffeine level on the back. Then we have some fillable tea bags for any loose leaf tea, and I normally get 1 or 2 loose leaf, so I always get like a really good mix of stuff. Next we have Dandelion Mocha Mint with organic herbs. It even has a prebiotic in it. And caffeine free. I'll have to try that. That sounds fun. Here's some loose leaf tea from Magic Moon, Sparkling Rose. Brew a cup of this liquid gold. So it has apple, white tea, rose peel, ooh, candied pineapples. Something last month I think had pineapple in it. It was so good. And I know I've gotten stuff from the Tea Goblin because I love their packaging. This one's called Dragon Dance. See what that has in it. Cinnamon, oolong tea, gunpowder green tea. That's interesting. Lots of stuff in there. Very cool. So sometimes the packaging doesn't always tell you steeping instructions. These do. But if not, it's on here. They tell you the ingredients and steep time, caffeine level, all that good stuff. And like I said, your box would be different than mine. So if you'd like to subscribe, I have a promo code below, a link in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.